So here's how to create XML theme on Blogger. First of all, open up your browser and search for Blogger. After that, go over to blogger.com and click on Sign In on the top right corner. Here, as you can see, we're already signed in. Now go over to the left panel and click on View Blog, and we can see our blog right here. Now go back and click on Theme on the left panel and then select Customize right here. Then click on Edit HTML. So on this section, you can see the whole code of your theme. Now, select your external XML theme code just like this. After that, copy it. Now go over to your Blogger theme page and select this entire code. After that, paste the one that you copied earlier. And once it's done, click on Save on the top right corner. After that, you will get to see this message that says Processing. Now, just wait for it to get done. So after it's done, the update will be successful. So as you can see, this is the template that I downloaded. Now, we will go over to our Blogger website. Once we're here, let's click on View Blog. And as you can see, the template has been updated just like that. And that is how you can create XML theme on Blogger.